Welcome students in a series of geometrical shapes. Today's topic is triangle, but at first let us understand what is polygon. A simple closed curve made up entirely of line segments is called a polygon. Like this. It is a polygon which has 4 line segments. Then it is also a polygon and it is also a closed curve and made up entirely by line segments. This is also a kind of polygon. It is also a polygon and it is triangle too. And you know that the triangle is the smallest polygon ever. Let us observe polygon again. It is a polygon and the line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. For example, just see here, if we will give the name of these points A, B, C, D, E, then we can say that AB, this side AB, BC, CD, DE, EA are line segments which are forming a polygon and called its sides. Next one is the meeting points of pair of sides are called vertices, like AB and AE. The meeting point is this A. This is called vertex of AB and AE. In similar way, for line segments for sides AB and BC, the vertex is this B. In similar way, BC and CD, for these two sides, the vertex is C. And in similar way, DE and EA. So this is vertex D and it is vertex E. Next one is two sides of a polygon with common endpoints are called its adjacent sides. Understand this. Two sides, for example AB and AE, and the common endpoint is this A. So these are called adjacent sides. In similar way, there are adjacent vertices too. See here, the endpoint of the same side of a polygon are called its adjacent vertices. For example, A and B. Let us understand few more things about polygon. It is a polygon A, B, C, D, E. In this polygon, two angles of a polygon with a common side are called its adjacent angles. For example, these two angles, angle A and angle B, are called adjacent angles because for angle EAB and for angle CBA, the common side is this AB. That's why these angles A and B are adjacent angles. Next very important thing is diagonal. You know what is diagonal? The line segment formed by joining non-adjacent vertices. For example, you know that EA and AB, the vertex is A, and CB and BA, the vertex is B, and A and B are adjacent vertex. Rather than these points, if AD and AC are two line segments which are formed by non-adjacent vertices are called diagonals, like AC and AD. In similar way, from B, if we will make a line segment to D and E, because these are non-adjacent vertices, then these are also diagonals. In similar way, from C, this CE, these are diagonals of polygon AC, AD, BD, BE and CE. A triangle is a three-sided polygon, or we can say it is the smallest polygon ever. For example, ABC, it is a triangle. Let us understand triangle. The line segments forming a triangle are called its sides, like these AB, BC, CA are sides of triangle. Next very important thing is vertices. This A, B and C, the meeting point of pair of sides like CA and AB are meeting at point A. In similar way, AB and BC are meeting at point B, and BC and CA are meeting at point C. That's why these are vertices A, B, C. Let us classify triangles. We can classify triangles on two bases. First is triangle by size of its angle. First type of triangle is which has triangle ABC, which has all three angles but all are acute angles. Then these kind of triangles are called acute angled triangles. Next one is triangle which has one angle of 90 degree. For example, this triangle ABC, it has a angle A is of 90 degree. That's why it is called right angle triangle. Next type of triangle on the basis of angle is this. In this triangle ABC, if you will observe that this angle A is obtuse angle. That's why it is called obtuse angled triangle. So there are three types of triangle on the basis of its angle. If all three angles of triangles are acute, then it is called acute angle triangle. If in any triangle any one angle is right angle, or we can say 90 degree, then it is called right angled triangle. And if in any triangle one angle is obtuse angle, then it is called an obtuse angle triangle. Next kind of classification is on the basis of length of its sides. First kind of triangle where all three sides are equal. These kind of triangle where all three sides means AB equal to BC equal to CA are called equilateral triangle. Second kind of triangle where two sides are equal. For example, in this triangle ABC, side AC and side BC are equal. So where two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Next one is where all three sides are different in length. So this kind of triangle ABC is called scalene triangle because here AC and AB and BC, all three sides are different in length. So in short, we can understand this that on the basis of side, we can say if all three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal in length, then it is called isosceles triangle. And if all three sides are different, then it is called scalene triangle. And on the basis of angle, if all three angles of triangles are acute, acute means less than 90 degree, then it is called acute triangle, or we can say acute angled triangle. And if in any triangle one angle is of right angle, or we can say 90 degree, then it is called right triangle, or we can say right angled triangle too. And third kind of triangle where one angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. Then it is called obtuse triangle, or we can say obtuse angled triangle. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.